Speech from the most celebrated journalist of Arunachal Pradesh. I request you all not to be bored for sharing a few cents of mine because I really care for the cause that you guys are very concerned about. So on the onset of the first foundation day of Arunachal Unemployed Registered Pharmacists Association, ORPA, I would like to congratulate you all on your first foundation day. And I would like to start my words by saying that you are here for a reform, right?
Yes.
And history is proof that great reforms always begins with a unified voice like this. So you are going on a very right path. And यहाँ पे, like Sonia sir said, it's very odd for me. We are very used to sitting on the other side of the podium. And here, I also was surprised that I've been invited here as the guest of honor. But the one who brought the news to me, I thought that हमको media तरफ से बुलाया है, but health department का तरफ से बुलाया है. And in that regard, हम लोग भी same issue से गुजर रहा है. Every department, every branch of the health department, जो भी department है, हमारा सबका issue है. So हम यहाँ पे, I have a dual role to play since I work in the media also. So on this onset, again, I would also give my honor and my love and greetings to Shri Tumi Amo, IPS, DIGP, Itanagar Capital Range, and my colleague in the media field, Shri Takam Sonia, CEO of Arun Bhumi News. And also a big congratulations to the ARPA, right? ARPA session of 2025 to 28, led by very able young leaders. So we are, जब से हम लोग आया है, बहुत ही aggression वाला चीज चल रहा है, because I know when we form an association like this, we are going through lots of issues and we want change. We have been neglected, undermined. Lekin here, what I want to highlight, the previous speakers on the podium have highlighted all the problems, all the aggression. But here I would like to highlight the role of pharmacists. The role of pharmacists which we always undermine. When we talk about the health delivery system, तो हमेशा फार्मासिस्ट लोग को हम जस्ट मेडिसिन डिलीवरी वाला लोग समझते हैं, but their role is so much beyond that, like ma'am said, because doctors prescribe medicines, nurses they give service, but pharmacists are the ones who are the guardians of safety in the medical field. They are they safeguard the rational drug use, which is very important and which we always undermine. And also, उनका जो role है, it's so important. They are the last line of defense between a patient and harm. That's what their role is, and it's so crucial and so important. So हमें क्या से शुरू करना चाहिए is that we should start awareing people our role, your role as registered pharmacist. Like ma'am said, हम भी है as a vendor, as a patient. इतना सारा दुकान है, even in my locality, like ma'am said, pharmacy है. I swear, I have seen that pharmacist boy chicken काटते हुए, and the next day he's sitting in a pharmacy. Yes. And because I come from a research health, public health background, तो मेरा अंदर का research का कीड़ा जाग उठता है. And also because we are from the media line, I ask, अब मुर्गी काट रहा था, pharmacy में कैसे बैठ रहा है? How can I trust you on taking medicine from you? ऐसे. And ईटानगर में एक pharmacy है. Whenever I go, एक young लड़का बैठा हुआ होता है pharmacy में. If I go and ask for medicine, he has no idea. Last time we fixed the डांट खाया था मुझसे. So whenever I go and ask for a medicine, छोटा मोटा medicine के लिए because pharmacists are trained people, of course, we go and ask them. तो वो pharmacy में हमेशा, whenever I go, he is lost and he's calling somebody over the phone. I said, how am I going to trust you and who has employed you here? ऐसा करके बहुत बार तू मैं हुआ है, and that got me thinking. कि the role of pharmacists are very very important. Registered pharmacists, learned pharmacists are so important. And यहाँ पे ये नहीं चल रहा है, कुछ लक्यूना चल रहा है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. And when I met the organizing team of this association in my office yesterday, I was so glad कि हाँ, जो my hypothesis, जो मेरा इतना सारा question था, it all came true. They came with those issues, जो इतना illegal licensing चल रहा है, many other things, वो light में आया. And this is बहुत simple लगता है, but this is a really great matter of concern. And we are not concerned because हम लोग ignorant हैं. Even the people at the higher ups, at the higher helms of affairs, they are ignorant about the importance and the value of pharmacists. And जो हमारे higher helms of affairs में leaders को छोड़ी, even the general public, they don't know the essence of a pharmacist. Like ma'am said, other people said, they are like a very dangerous tool. They are like murderers. जैसे मैम ने बोला, बहुत सिंपल सा मेडिसिन लगता है and they just prescribe. You never know because अरुणाचल में, like I always say, public health में research नहीं होता है. We don't know. कुछ भी field में research नहीं होता है. The research department is defunct. And for any branches of health or any other, especially health में तो बहुत ही research का ज़रूरी है. And I don't know why youngsters बहुत सारे field में PhD करके बैठे हैं, but nobody is focusing on research. That is why we don't know. हमें आज तक पता भी नहीं होगा. Even in my field, even in the blood transfusion field भी, nobody is interested in research. Even in your field, research नहीं किया होता है. That's why you won't even know कि ऐसे it looks very simple from above, लेकिन you never know कितना मौत भी हुआ होगा, कितना deaths भी हुआ होगा, because the wrong people are running pharmacy through illegal licensing. तो आज तक कोई किसी ने स्टडी भी नहीं किया है. and we are unaware कि ये कितना डेंजरस है पब्लिक हेल्थ के लिए, कितना डेंजरस है नॉर्मल पेशेंट्स के लिए. हम लोग ग्राउंड से शुरू नहीं करके we always are into aggression और कंफ्यूजन के बारे में ही सोचते हैं. We have to work from the grassroots level. And again जो आप लोग का इशू है बहुत ही जेन्युइन है. हेल्थ सेक्टर में, लाइक मैम सेड, बहुत ही दुखी से बोला है कि we are undermined, we are undervalued. Pharmacists are really undervalued, and their role is undermined because of sheer ignorance. इसलिए I won't say much. Even in my concluding lines, I would like to say that in a state, many people are covering this program. अगर कोई, if it reaches the right ears, it should reach the right ears to the policy makers, to the institutions, and to all the people, or to all the stakeholders, that if you are undermining the role of pharmacist, you are putting the life of a patient in danger, you are putting the life of public in danger, and this is very important to learn. ये तो बोल दिया मैंने, लेकिन लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा? Like I said, मीडिया है, मीडिया में हम लोग we can make noise, we can be a bridge between you and the government and the policy makers and the stakeholders. But here when I see you are a union and association of such young, learned people, I encourage you, even आप लोग का जो इतना सारा issues है, we are talking about memorandum बनाया है, ये सब चलता है and चलते ही रहेगा. Like I said, this is your start.